Good afternoon, YouTube. Enjoying this warm March weather. Today you're gonna be checking out some funnels. Not those, but this here. Let's go check it out. Alright, this is the Scientour moldable funnel. Bought this on Amazon for $15. Considering that most cars' oil fill holes are different sizes, this is a great all-in-one solution to all of that. My Toyotas seem to have normal size oil fill holes, but my Honda seems to be a little tight, little tiny, and all the way in the bottom of the engine. So, you know, filling oil on that car is a pain in the ass. But this solves that problem. As you can see, you can mold it to depending whatever size you want. And a lot of people also use this for draining their oil to make a mess-free drain. They can just like put this underneath and collect all the oil into a plastic jug without spilling it all over the place. This is a great thing. Let's go check it out. I'm gonna show you how this thing works. All right, we're here at the Toyota Tacoma. Just a quick demonstration of how this thing works. Apparently you just get it, you fold it into shape, something like this, plug it in like this, and you just pour it in. Simple as that. Best invention in the world. Alright, just showing you some of the other benefits. As you can see, some of these other oil funnels, you know, over time, over storage, it gets dusty, dirty, debris gets in there. Cleaning it can be a pain in the ass, you know, getting a tissue or a paper towel, shop rag, whatever, getting it in there, it's hard. It's a pain in the ass. You might have to like spray some brake cleaner in there or whatever. But with this thing, it's easy. You just open it up like a piece of paper and just wipe it down. So I basically use this for everything, for oil, transmission fluid, coolant, whatever. Just, you know, get a wet some paper towels, wipe it down, and you're ready for storage or whatever next job you have going on. You can check it out in the link in my description below if you want to get one. I highly recommend it. As you can see, all these other ones are collecting so much dust because I just basically don't use these anymore. They're practically useless.